In today's world, it is more important than ever to earn money online. It's not easy, but there are a lot of ways you can make money from home. Did you know that your washer can make you money? In this video, I'm gonna show you how to earn $150 per day by just using your washer. It's easy to do, and it's being done by thousands of people right now. So, keep watching till the end. But before we start, make sure to check the links in the description below to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that. Subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. Now let's jump to the video. Still, washing your laundry? Here I will show you how to make your washer work for you so that you can earn $150 per day from your washing machine. I want to show you an amazing app called Sudshare. Sudshare is an app-based marketplace for laundry cleaning, pickup, and delivery services. With Sudshare you earn money doing laundry from home. You're the boss, so you work when you want and earn what you need. You get paid instantly, and getting started is really easy. How does it work? First, you need to download Sudshare app. It is available in the Google Play Store and App Store. You can sign up, simply create an account and watch some best practices videos, takes less than 10 minutes. What do you need to start? US Social Security number, for background check. Access to a washer and dryer. Access to a drying rack, clothesline, or something to air dry clothes. Laundry detergent. A car or some way to pick up and deliver. A basic bathroom scale. Plastic bags. Then you can accept jobs. They send you jobs in your area. Accept the jobs you want. You can reject the ones you don't. How much money can you make? To be clear, you're not paid by the hour. You earn 75 cents per lb of laundry plus tips, but that translates into about $15 to $20 per hour. However, successful hardworking washers in high-demand areas can earn up to $5,000 per month. Then you will get paid immediately. Now, if you like to make big money as a core and long-term income source, make sure to check the links in the description. In the end, if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell.